Hey guys, so here's the Mercedes steering column. We had a problem with these. This is the ESL module that it's locked. You won't be able to remove it, and we gotta do something to how to remove it. And I'm gonna show you how and what tools do you need to do. All right, let's get to it. Okay, so to remove these, first we have to remove that nut. We have 13mm, and that should spin out. Let's try it. It's actually moving now. You guys should use the socket. This is the first thing to grab in the garage. So when that's out, see, okay, and this is locked. That's the problem. It could be the mechanism inside or the module, actual module. So you can't remove it because it's locked. You need to push it in and remove it. And this is the we have an alternative way to do that. We're gonna drill a hole because this has a gear here. So we have a drill bit. Let me see. Show you. What size is this? This is a 1564 right there. 1564. And whatever you're comfortable using. Let me use this. And we're just gonna have us drill here where the gear teeth showing. Not too far. Be gentle. We start with a small one, but we're here already. Okay, let me get a smaller bit. Alright, we change it with the small bit. Start it with that. Good. Get the next one. Make sure you have a sharp bit. Mine is like worn out. This one's going pretty good. Think. get another one. Okay. Gotta be careful that it doesn't go too deep. So once you drill it, so you can see, let's focus a little bit. I'm just gonna poke that, it's just gonna be soft now. Just gonna pick it. So use this pick, you got a big pick. Should open up pretty good. And we should see the gear. Got a little bit focused there. Okay, let's pick that out. Okay, see it now? Now, you see the gear there. Focus. Hard to see, it's kind of dark. Who wants to see it? Okay, so once you have that drill, you're gonna find that teeth and pick it, move it clockwise. So you can see right now, see this? Let me zoom it to that one. You will be able to move that all the way down so you can pull this out. So let's find that teeth. Can you see it? Right there. Right there. So I'm picking it clockwise. Slowly. Start moving. Right there. Right there. Then notice this. See that? See that now? It's kind of like almost there. So I'm gonna keep picking it clockwise. Going. That's almost. And keep picking. So one more pick. See that? All the way in. Once you got that all the way in, then you can remove it. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful, right? And this is the piece. I'll show you. See that teeth right there? Keep moving to the clockwise. Then you'll be able to remove this ESL piece because it locked it. Now either you buy these, be like $500, $600 plus the cost for programming it and for your key, or you can just replace it with a module that what we're gonna do. All right, thank you guys. Have a good day.